Would you believe me if I said that you can get this much volume in your hair just by using 3 products? Well, I've done it and I'm here to show you all. I've been using the Keratin Protein Shampoo and Conditioner along with the Argan Oil from Herbishh. My hair has been damaged for the longest time due to constant exposure to heat and also because I dyed my hair last year. We all know keratin is a game changer when it comes to restoring your hair, but this one also has vitamin E, collagen, and jojoba oil for nourishment. Oh, and did I mention this one is also sulfate free because you're gonna find me checking the bottle for hours to see if my hair products are away from these toxins. Finally, finishing it off with the Argan Oil, which locks in the moisture and keeps my hair super shiny. What I love about this set is that I don't have to treat every single problem with a different product. As someone with thick hair, I'm so glad that it has frizz control. It can treat my split ends, my damaged hair, and it also maintains my hair color. And the best part is that it is extremely affordable. You guys can get a further discount by using my code. And just look at the final product. My hair is super healthy, shiny, and soft, and I'm literally obsessed. Make sure to check out the amazing products of Herbishh on their website and let me know what you guys think.